If you thought getting a house loan was tough, think again. Here's how to make it a breeze. Step 1, check your credit score. The higher the better. Next, determine your budget. How much can you afford? Think down payment, mortgage, and extras. Now save for that down payment. Lenders typically want 5 to 20% of the home's price. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This means submitting your financial documents to a lender. Got pre-approved? Awesome. Now find a home and make an offer. Submit a formal mortgage application once your offer is accepted. Next, undergo mortgage underwriting. The lender will review everything to ensure it's all good. Prepare for closing. Finalize paperwork and pay closing costs. Finally, close on the home. Sign the documents and get your keys. Congrats, you're a homeowner. Boost your chances by improving your credit score, saving a larger down payment, shopping around for lenders, and getting pre-approved. Now go out there and grab that dream home.